I'm popping up like I never left. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hey Nation, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your plus size homegirl Ping, dealing with all things plus size. Okay, guys, so I know I'm back. Been gone for a minute. She been gone for a minute. She's back like she never left. She's back like she never left. Yep, that's me. Okay, guys, so to go ahead and dive into it, for the first time, I'm collabing with Temu. I have never collabed with them before. I'm so excited to be collabing with Temu. So of course, y'all know if they give me any offer codes, discounts, anything, the links for the things that I have picked out will be down in the description box below, okay? I'm trying to think if that's it. That's all. I think that is. So now, oh, also, there's no, like, I guess, theme to this one. You know what I'm saying? It was just like, hey, here's the budget. Pick out some random stuff. And I was like, okay. So let's get to the random items, dude. Okay, y'all, so the first thing I got was this squishy. Now, I have been in the... Yeah, I've been getting into squishies lately, like big time. This one, though, unfortunately, and I made sure to not purposely, like it comes in this bag, it's sealed, not to cut it. I want this way to wait to get on camera, simply because a little bit is coming out. So she got a leak somewhere, but I don't know where. So let's cut her open. Oh, I like this one. Okay. Oh, yeah, I like her. Okay. So this squishy, it actually comes as a cube. If I can't remember, I'll insert a picture somewhere. But okay, here it is. Oh, I put it back. Okay. So I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it's actually a cube. It's actually a cube, and it has like the little rivet, like bubbles on it. I like these squishies because you can like kind of squish them. Oh, I can't even describe it because I'm so sensory. Oh my god, I told y'all she got touching it tism. Okay. Oh my god. And this squishy wasn't like expensive like I thought the squishies would be. It has good stretch and pull, even though it's kind of leaking. Maybe it was something on the inside because I don't have anything on my hands. Like there's nothing on my hands, but this has such good stretch and pull for a squishy in. I don't know if anything is coming up on camera. Okay, let's go to the next thing. Oh, wrong way. Sorry. Okay, y'all. So next we got these individual personalized LED, like they're grow lights. Well, not LED, but actual grow lights for your plants. Now, I think the top of my bun may be getting cut off. I apologize, y'all. Okay, so this is really cool. Now, this does come in a pack of 3, so I got this one and 2 more, and it's really cool because this is retractable. I mean, well, this is extendable, I should say. So we see how long it extends. For example, I hope it's pulling up in the whole frame so y'all can see. This is how long it extends, right? How short it can retract, like the size of a pen. So it's really cool, and it's magnetic. I can't talk. It's magnetic. It's magnetic. Let me stop. It's magnetic, okay, as you can see. So it does latch on, and when I say sis holds, she don't move. She hold and she don't move. She hold and she don't move. Like, right. I gotta put a little oomph in her to get her off, but however you want to stick her. And then, have her up or here or at an angle here. However you want to do her, and she stays. The only thing, though, it comes with the USB port here on the end, but it does not come with plugs. So you have to have your own brick. I call them bricks. You have to have your own wall mount or brick for these because it doesn't come with it. But if you're anything like myself, I have like surge protectors that have the USB ports in them. So I just honestly just plug it up to a surge protector. It does have, come a little closer so y'all can see, it does have the dial for the settings on the button here, right here. Of course, you got your power. Your brightness can go to 25% up to 50% on your plant. And it has a 3 hour, 6 hour, and 9 hour setting time. I usually set mine at the highest because I think the plants need like at least like 9 to 10, the majority of mine, because I have a lot of tropical plants in my house. So yeah, that's these are really nifty. I can't wait to use them. Okay, so the next item I chose was this like phone holder kind of face recognizing thing. You know what I'm trying to say, it moves with you. I had actually one of these before, not from Temu, from somewhere else, but I'm not gonna hold you, I have no clue where it is. Like, I have no clue where that thing is. Like, definitely I have no clue where that thing is. I needed another one. So this is actually perfect. So it does come with a charger cord. It has a charger port in the back. It has the power button here. It's two other, but like when I press the power, it's a red button that pops up too. I have to see what the second light indicator is for. But it is, I mean, all in all, it's pretty cool. This does move back and forth, so you can, you know, angle it back, or, you know, if you need to tilt it forward, you do have that option. It does have the bumper here at the bottom to protect it from scratching, as well as it has the port keyhole, so that way, if you have a stand like a tripod, or even a ring light that has that head mount that you can screw in, you can use it here. Now she is lightweight. I ain't gonna hold you. You know, I ain't gonna say that she weighs a brick, but she, you know, she pretty nice light. So she'll sit up there, and I ain't gonna hold you. She may give it a little weight, but she pretty nice light. It does seem pretty stable. Like, even when I shake it, I like the head because the head does rotate 360. It is a 360 rotatable head. It has, of course, the bumpers here on the side, and these actually do open up on the side, the little things here, and then it opens. So you can see, trying to move my hands out the way. My bad, y'all. There, that's better. I couldn't get it. Ooh, it was a puzzle, child. I couldn't get it. But it has it where it does extend, you know, if you got your case on, or however, if it's small, whatever. So that does extend, and of course, you know, like I said, it does rotate. It seems pretty cool so far. I'm assuming that this is the camera right here to kind of track your face. I haven't used it as of right now, but I'm going to insert a video now on how this does with the face recognition, okay? Wait a minute. Oh, she tracking. Oh, this is a good facial tracker. Oh, she tracking. Oh, so it's tracking for real. This is a good facial tracker. Okay. Oh, I'm falling. Okay, so next thing that I got is like this kind of picture frame art decor holder thing. I don't know what to call it, okay? I just know I seen it and I wanted it. Now, keep in mind, it had the dimensions on there, okay? But I did not check the dimensions. I don't know why I thought this was going to come bigger, because it has the dimensions, like it has the sizing on there. And I breezed right past that page. Like, I remember seeing it and it not registering, but here it is. It's cute. So this is the frame, right? And it's a solid wooden frame. It has the rivets on the back so you can hang it. It's actually two of these, so two frames and two of these right here, and they come with nails. I love that. It comes with 4 nails. Yeah, so you can hang this on the wall. Like, all you need is a hammer or a shoe or whatever. But it's very simple. Okay, so I'm gonna break it down. I like the frame by itself, right? Because I can put it on the wall and do different things with the frame. I'm not really, I can find something to do something with this if I wanted to, right? But this stand is cool because it goes in there. It's a bevel piece, so you can tell which one's goes in the front, which one goes in the back. Because the one in the front is actually smooth, so it's round, and then this goes in the back because in the back it's like a square brick. And it fits like this. And so this is how it looks. This is the full 360. This is the back of it. This will be the part that's flushed against the wall. And this is the full 360 of the stand. So yeah. So you would just hang this on the wall. Me personally, I plan on the poster that has my name, which I plan on redoing that, zhuzhing it up with a better frame and stuff. But the poster back here that's on my wall, I plan on putting one of these on each side. And which is perfect because I plan on like getting a little plant here and putting it here and like letting it grow down. I'm not quite sure how I want to do it. Okay, let me tell you the vision that I had, right? The vision that I had was this was going to be a little bit bigger, but I was going to use the LED lights, the grow LED lights I just showed y'all. because I was going to put a plant on here and have its own personal grow light on it. It was a good idea until I realized I would have cords running down my wall. I don't want that look of like cords running down my wall, right? So I don't know how to do it. Now I can do an LED light that's like I can stick it up here, but then I'm gonna have to find a way. Like, you see what I'm saying? If the plant is here, I can't have a plant all the way back here, meaning that I would have to have an LED light that's like right here. You see what I'm saying? So I just gotta see. I don't know. And then I'm telling y'all something else I thought about. I thought about getting a very small, full fake plant and putting it right there. And I think I just might, because I don't want to do no candle and shit. I'm tired of putting candles. Like, I'm tired, not putting, but I'm tired of seeing like candles. It's time to like, I like decorating with plants. Long story short. So I got to see. If you guys got some ideas, drop them down in the drop box below. Kind of help me out. If you have ideas, if not, that's fine. Because I want to do, like I said, a plant here. But I need a grow light to sit here. And I can. But I'm thinking like, will it be tacky if I have the plant, that white grow light shining down, and then a white cord running down the wall behind this to wherever it's going to go? You see what I'm saying? Okay, y'all. So next up is actually going to be this watch that I picked out. I really do like it. I'm gonna come closer. My bum may cut off, but it has the patent leather shiny straps, which I'm obsessed with. Oh, I'm obsessed with a shiny patent leather strap. Y'all just don't know. I do love this. As you can see, it has like, it's kind of like I'll insert a picture if it's not showing up well. It's like little, I don't know if these little baby crystals, cubic zirconias, little pieces of plastic. I don't know what this is. Over here on this side, and then you have the actual watch on this side. It is a cool like look and design. I really do like it. I love the gold head. The only thing, if I'm being picky, I think the watch piece is a little bit bigger than what I expected, but I love her because she's cute. She goes perfect on the junk arm. The only thing is I would have to put her like, you see how she's like kind of big a little bit to me. Maybe just this, that's just me. But you know, this is how she look. This is how girlfriend look. But I would probably put her, because I always wear my watches on my opposite side that I write with. So I put her on my left hand, and I'll just put like a whole bunch of bangles with her. Cause she's definitely a statement piece. She's definitely pretty. Ain't she cute? Okay, guys. So this is the last actual little piece, and it is an all white purse. I have when I say no white purses, no white purses, I realize, but I have so many items that white, like a white shoe, a white bag would be chef's kiss with, right? So I decided to pick out my first little white purse, and I love her. She's cute. She has a little gold bow detailing. She is a little number. I like her because I could still, pop out and do her like that if I wanted to. She does have hooks on the side, just your basic hooks, and it is a flap. I love the little rib detailing here. Also, I love that. I love and it goes around the entire purse. What is it? Oh no. Okay. I absolutely do love and adore it. I really do. It does open up. I love this. Is like solid. And like, this ain't going nowhere. This ain't going nowhere. Look at that. Look at that gold detailing. And so this is just the regular inside of her. She doesn't have anything for your cards or anything on the side. She does of course have a strap. So if you kind of want to wear her over the shoulder, you can. But this is the last little piece, and she is so cute, and it has like the magnetic hooks. So she's a cute little number. Okay, y'all, that's it. So we have reached the end of the actual Temu, I guess, kind of like haul of the items that they picked. Definitely leave me your feedback down below. Tell me what looks you did like, what looks maybe, what items, rather not looks. I'm so used to doing clothes. What items you did like, what items you kind of didn't care for. Also, if you have any ideas about the frame with the stand that I want to put the plant on for the LED lights, please leave it down below. Like, I'm so serious. I be reading y'all comments. I be like, okay, I agree. I be responding to stuff like, please, please, please leave them down below. Anything that's helpful, please leave it down below because I would greatly appreciate it. I think that's it. Also, do you like me collabing with Temu? Give me your ideas down below as well. Like, would you want to do another Temu collab. If that's something else you guys will want to do, because I can keep that going if you like, because the offer is there. I just don't want to give you content that you're not looking for. And I'm talking to the ladies. I'm not talking to the men, because y'all get sidetracked and get on body stuff. We're not talking about that. We talking about stuff for the ladies. Okay, we're here for the ladies. I'll see you next time, girls. Bye.